Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I hope you have done the previous exercises of the previous chapter. So let's move into the new and fresh chapter, that is chapter 6, verbs. Let's talk about that what is verbs. The words that show some actions or activities are called action words or verbs. They are also called doing words. So basically it is saying that the words which show some action or activities, these are known as what? These are action words or verbs. They are also called the doing words. Okay. So here you can see a bird is flying in the sky. So what the bird is doing? The bird is flying. So flying is what? Flying is the action word or verb. Next one, Mary is reading a book. What is Mary doing? Mary is reading a book. Okay, so reading is the action word or verb. Next one, Neeraj is singing a song. What is Neeraj doing? He is singing a song. Singing is the action word or verb. Next is Rahul is eating a mango. Eating is action word or verb. Next is the dog is running. Running is action word. Next one is Sujit is playing football. Playing is the action word or verb. Next is Martha is dancing. Dancing is the action word or verb. Okay. Next is Nancy is writing. Writing is what? Writing is action word or verb. Next one is Johnny is bathing. Johnny is bathing. Okay. You can say bathing or bathing too. Okay. So basically the word bathing or bathing is the action word or verb. Okay. Next is the cat is mewing. What is the cat doing? Cat is mewing. Mewing is action word. Next one, the cow is grazing grass. What is the cow doing? Grazing grass. So grazing is the action word. Next one, the baby is crying. So what is the baby doing? That baby is crying. So crying is the action word. Okay. Now students, let's move into the exercise part. So here they have given, take the correct option and fill it in the blanks. First one, Robert is dash water. Is it reading, writing or drinking? Robert is drinking water. Okay. So you have to take drinking. Next one, Vimla is dash clothes. Is it playing, going, washing? Vimla is washing clothes. So you have to take washing. Next one, the cat is dash after the mouse. The cat is running, looking or catching. The cat is running after the mouse. So you have to take running. Now the next thing is add ing to these words. One has been done for you. First one, watch. Watch is watching. Okay, you have to add ing over there in the last. Next is think. Think, thinking. Next, work, work, working. Next one, stand. Stand, standing. Climb, climbing. Go, going. Eat, eating. Draw, drawing. Laugh, laughing. Cook, cooking. Okay. Now the next question is circle the doing words in this poem. So here they have given a poem and you have to circle the doing words in this one. Okay, that means you have to circle the verb. So this poem title is Me and My Shadow. I nod my head, he nods his head. I skip and he skips too. So here can you tell me what is the doing word? So the first one you can see over there, nod. Okay, so nod is what? Nod is a doing word. So you have to circle nod. Next, he nods his head. So here also nods is what? Nods is a doing word. So you have to circle nods. Next, I skip and he skips too. Skip is also the doing word. So you have to circle skip also and then skips also. Okay. So basically you have to just circle the doing words, the verb. Okay. Next line it is saying, I clap my hands, he claps his hands. He does just what I do. I hop 3 times, he hops 3 times. I jump and he jumps too. I climb upstairs, he climbs up upstairs. I blow a kiss to you. Okay, so basically what the boy is doing, his shadow is also doing the same thing. Okay, if the boy is nodding his head, okay, the shadow is also nodding his head. Okay, and if the boy is clapping his hand, the shadow is also clapping with his hand. Okay, next one, if the boy is hopping or jumping 3 times, the shadow is also jumping or hopping 3 times. Next one, if the boy is climbing the upstairs, that shadow is also climbing the upstairs. And if the boy blows a kiss, then the shadow is also blowing a kiss to him. Okay, now the next question is, color the boxes which bear action words. You have to color those boxes which carry the action word or verbs. Okay, first one is cook. Cook is what? Cook is a action word or verb. So you have to color this box. Okay, next is shout. Shout is also action word, so you have to color it. Okay, like this you have to color the action word box only. Okay, not the naming one. Like bread is what? Bread is the naming word, not action word. Okay, so you should not color that box. Okay, I hope student that you understood this chapter, and your homework is you have to do all the exercise part of this chapter. I'm gonna meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye students.